Alright, everybody's all together and glued on there, looking good. Once I got it all together, I decided it needed a ram. It was just lacking something, so I stuck a ram on there. So next we're going to go through and do the rusting portion of it. Same rusting I've done in my last several videos, just because I really like how everything turns out. First, going to hit it with the Green Stuff World medium oxide rust, wait for that to dry, and then we'll hit it with some down and dirty before we dry brush it and do some panel liner. Make everything look all rusty and corroded and realistic and stuff, dust it up, and this thing will be ready to go. So let's hit it with some medium rust oxide and then wait for it to dry and go from there. So looking good, really liking it.